Hello everyone, I am Shiny. Welcome to my channel Shiny Jones Art. Today I am painting some leaves. So I am using a dagger brush, number 10 brush. So I am using watercolor. So these are the colors which I am using today in this painting. So let's paint some leaves. So here we are painting with the sides of the brush, and with a dagger brush we can quite easily paint such paintings, that is leaves painting, that is with the sides of the brush we can twist and drawing lines and slanting lines. So otherwise the painting in a zigzag way, so quite easily we can create leaves with this brush. So here I am transforming the leaf, the very first leaf which I have drew, that is mm, transforming it just like the other leaves, just by slanting lines. Otherwise, before I have drew it flat, and so now creating it just like the other leaves. So now this looks that it has fullness, and now it looks similar, just like the other leaves. The type of the leaves are similar, and by color it's different. So the colors are different, and the types of the leaves are now similar. Just one thing, that green leaf looks fullness, and so this is the difference. So this is how we can easily transform the leaves, and that is easily created just with the help of a dagger brush. So this brush is quite easy to use, that is for drawing leaves, and the just with the sides of the brush we can easily draw the leaves. So here we can see the other leaves has less fullness and compared to the green leaf. So green leaf has fullness. This is one of my imaginary painting. So firstly I thought of painting flat leaves and then painted hairy leaves. Also these leaves look like birds' feathers. I think I will just give a try painting some more leaves in my next painting, maybe with a dagger brush. So leaves of different types and different shapes, and creating it in a some more creative way, that is just drawing it differently. So there are leaves of heart shape, or some just like uh, twisting leaves, and how the leaves are twisted. So twisting. So there are different types of leaves, and along with the names, I will be painting now, so that I can mention the name as well along with the leaves painting. So here painting the leaves in different shades of colors. So this is one of the easiest way. Now with this flat brush, let's splatter some colors on the painting, so to make it more creative and natural. Now lastly some splatter. So this is how we can easily paint leaves with a dagger brush, and this is one of the simple technique of painting leaves. Hope so you like the video of painting leaves with a dagger brush in a simple technique, and if so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and happy painting.